Here's another problem, number 10 that I saw you working on. You want to find the critical values again. You seem to be having problems with it. This is a two-tailed test, and so you've drawn a nice picture here. Alpha's 0.04, so that would mean there's 0.02 in each side here. If I wrote that down, I mean there's 0.02 here, and there's 0.02 here. You know, if you just take it, since it's two-tailed, you know, if you divide that in half, you know, you got half here and half here. And so I think you were asking me how to do this in StatCrunch. And so again, I just went to, you click on Stats and Calculators, and you choose the normal calculator. Now, there's really more than one way to do this. You could do it standard or between. You really have a couple options. I just left it on standard, and I left this as 0 and 1, and I typed in 0.02. You know, I typed in this part, this left part here matches your picture here, and then I hit compute, and it gives me this value here, which you round to the nearest hundredths. You know, it's negative 2.05. And there's actually a second answer, but these two are symmetric, so if you know one, you know the other. So we get to negative 2.05, then the other one's just positive 2.05. And so, you know, I was just trying to help you with StatCrunch. Hope that helps.